prices ng tatanghaling Big Six. Let's press the pedal to the metal kasama ang 5th and 6th Team Big Placer na mabibigyan ng 100,000 each mula sa Candies. Aarangkada naman ang cash prizes from Jack and Jill para sa ating Team Big 4 with 200,000 pesos para sa 4th Team Big Placer. Hindi pa uli ang 3rd Team Big Placer dahil makakakuha sa 300,000 pesos. O overtake naman ang 2nd Team Big Placer dahil sa tumatagintig na 500,000 pesos na matatanggap niya. Shift to overdrive ang saya dahil lahat sila'y makakatanggap rin ng Sony Vaio laptop. Pinakahabang naman ang Team Big winner dahil mapapanalunan niya ang 46-inch Sony LCD TV. Asian tour for 2 and 3 key destinations including Hong Kong, Thailand, Singapore. All expenses paid from Bondi. 1.5 million worth of complete crystal clear water store franchise from SolarX. All drinking water should be crystal clear. 3 million condo unit at GA Tower 1 from Globe Asiatic. And a heart-raising 1 million pesos from Jack and Jill. Super bilis ng pag-asenso. Super hot at sasaya dahil nalalapit na ang finish line ng Pinoy Big Brother Team Clash.
At ngayon po gusto namin pasalamatan lahat ng pumila sa Inaya Sports Center para makakuha ng big night tickets. Maraming salamat po kasi I heard as early as 8 a.m. napakaraming tao na raw. Maraming salamat po. And just a reminder, sa Saturday po para sa ating big night 8 p.m. pumunta na po kayo para hindi kayo ma-stress. Maaga pa lang pumila na. Alright, at sino naman kaya ang Internationals ang napabilib sa taong bayan? Sino kaya ang das ng sambayanan? Malalaman natin yan sa ilang saglit. Pero bago yan, kilalanin muna natin ang mga mahal nila sa buhay.
Yes, of course. As always, Mariel, kasama natin loved ones ng ating mga homies. Para kay Anne, nandito ang kanyang mommy, Vicky. Para kay Brett, ang kapangalang ama na si Daddy Brett. Para kay James, ang kapatid niya na si Lauren.
You are so pretty.
At para kay Ryan naman, ang guardian niya na si John Haley.
Alright, ngayon naman alamin na natin ang resulta ng naganap na botohan. Here's Tony.
Big morning.
I'm back, housemates. Are you ready? Isa-isa na natin pupunan ang pwesto ng 6 na stars at sisimulan natin yan sa mga Pinoy housemates. Okay? Ipinapaalala ko lang sa lahat na isa-isa kong papangalanan ng team housemates na papasok na sa ating Team Big Six in no particular order. Okay? Congratulations at bahagi ka na ng Team Big Six, Devon, Fritzy, and Ivan. Maaari nyo nang tungtungan ang inyong mga bituin. Congratulations. Maaari na kayong tumayo. Go, go, go! Step on your stars. Magpapatuloy tayo. Sino naman kaya ang nagmamay-ari sa mga bituin sa inyong tabi? Ang kanilang mga pangalan nakasulat na dito sa at ang resulta ng botohang ginawa ng taong bayan. Kaya makinig kayong mabuti, team housemates, ha? I will start with Anne. Sapat na ba ang ginawa mong sakripisyo para maniwala ang taong bayan na karapat-dapat kang manatili sa bahay ni Kuya? Brett? Is it because you are good in music and the arts? That's why the people voted you to be part of the Team Big Six. And for you, James, did you impress the voters with the strength and courage you showed in the task given to you? Brian, are you really good to the other housemates? Did the people vote for you because you have been friendly to the others? Ang pangalang aking babanggitin ay ang Team International housemate na ligtas sa linggong ito. And more importantly, he or she will be a member of the Team Big Six. Please step on your star because you are safe tonight. Congratulations, James! James, you may now step on your star. Congratulations! We will continue. Sino pa kaya ang iba mo pang makakasama? Itutuloy natin ang announcements, teen housemates. Congratulations, you are also a member of the Team Big Six. You may now step on your star because you are safe tonight. Brett! Habang emotional pa si Brett, ngayon naman para sa dalawang natitirang nakaupong teen housemates. The name of the last safe teen housemate for tonight. Sa aking pagbabalik. Thank you, Teen Housemate.
The hottest singing sensation in Asia, Christian Bautista! Kung hindi dahil sa disiplina niya sa pag-workout, hindi siya magiging ganito kahot.
When I start something, gusto ko tatapusin.
Tapusin mo. Ano daw ang motivation mo para mag-change?
Daming magpipinsa.
Ano talaga?
Ako yung pinakamaliit, nababa yung confidence level. I didn't know how to approach or talk to girls. And now it's
Ay!
Simply KC, 9:45 a.m. sa Umaganda ng ABS-CBN.
Perfect! Perfect!
Perfect.
Meron pang mas perfect for me. Sun 10 peso calling text combo. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Perfect for calling best friends dahil sa Sun Calls. Perfect for texting your crush dahil sa Sun Text. Perfect for me and all my barkadas dahil sa text to other networks. Perfect for only 10 pesos. Sun calling text combo for everybody. Perfect! Meron ding 20 at 30 pesos.
Kung constipated kayo, mag-Tulcolax lang for gentle yet effective relief. Tulcolax bago matulog para pagkising. Tulcolax for gentle yet effective overnight relief from constipation.
Never underestimate the power of a finishing touch. Vitress Hair Cuticle Coat. A drop and a touch gives you instant shine and smoothness that's light and non-greasy. Your hair is not finished till you Vitress.
We asked dandruff sufferers to take the Clear Blacklight Challenge. What shampoo do you use?
Siyempre,
Nakasanayan ba? Ako, I switched to Clear. Let's test who's really dandruff-free with the Blacklight.
oh no!
Oh, no. Dandruff? Wala. With Clear, you get no